Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all typing features available on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Additional Settings. Now you need to select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Debird. Finally, select Text Correction over here, and as you can see, all typing features are available here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!